Welcome back. In our previous video, we have shared DIY formula for frizz-free hair. Hope you enjoyed it. In today's video, we are going to share another DIY formula for detangling. Let's start our video. First of all, note down the things you need. Number 1 ingredient is 1 ripe avocado, mashed. Second is 1/4 cup of olive oil. Third one is 1/2 cup of unrefined shea butter. In last, 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now, why do you need shea butter? This is because shea butter is abundant in antioxidants and widely used in skin and hair care products for its anti-inflammatory properties. What's the use of apple cider vinegar then? This is because apple cider vinegar is often used to add shine to the hair and cleanse the scalp. Now, as you wrote down all the things you need and what's their importance, let's come to the method. First of all, blend all ingredients into a smooth paste. Secondly, apply the mixture to the scalp and hair. Keep it on for 45 minutes. Finally, rinse off. Coming up next, what type of olive oil to use for hair? So, stay tuned. Hope you've enjoyed our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Have great day.